Candy.
Do you love candy? Say, mmm.
Mmm.
What is candy, Cece?
Chocolate.
It's chocolate. Is it delicious? What's that? M&M's?
What do you look like with your crown on? Who do you look like?
Chihuahua.
Where does she live?
Dylan.
Where?
What kind of candy is that?
Where does Cinderella live?
M&M's again. Dylan.
Oh, do you want to go there?
M&M's again.
What are you going to tell her?
Chihuahua.
What do you want to tell Cinderella?
I love Snow White.
You're going to tell her I love Snow White? Oh, that was nice of you.
Open it.
Let's have some breakfast.
No.
Yes.
No.
Do you want to find 4 eggs?
Yes.
Yes! Yes, go!
This is mine.
Okay. Oh, you already found 1. Gracie, what's that? What's that? What's that? Now you found 2. We can only find 4 eggs. 1, 2. Gracie!
I got one.
I put it in the basket. We have to find 2 more.